welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a simple eyeshadow no makeup look, or using all drugstore products, which I'm so excited about. I'm going to show you the product as I go along. If you want to know how I do it, please keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. We're going to be using everything drugstore with the exception of the powders. I found a really good drugstore powder that I like so far. Because we're not doing any eyeshadow, we're going to be doing our foundation first. The primer we are going to be using today is from NYX Professional Makeup Pore Filler Primer Base. This primer is so good. Now I'm going to apply the primer, and I normally apply it on just this area, the area that I sweat the most, and the area that I have pores, and then on my nose. My nose really needs it as well, and then I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead. This primer is meant to fill pores, so if you have like large pores and everything, this is really good for you. It keeps your face matte as well. So now we're gonna go in with the foundation. The foundation we're gonna be using today is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hour. I have 3 shades here because I couldn't get my perfect shades. I have 3 shades here and I'm going to be mixing them. The number is all like wiped off because it's quite old, so I can't tell you what shade this one is. And then this one is the shade 355, and this one is shade 340. Now I'm going to be putting the darker one there. Maybe that might be even enough for me. 340 for me is a bit too light, so we're going to be mixing it with a 355. And the 340 has like a red undertone. I'm mixing the two to get my shade. Okay, well, it's close enough. It's close enough. It's a little bit light, but it's close enough. This one is not entirely full coverage. If you're full coverage girl like me, then you're gonna have to build it up. Woo, it's light. And then make sure it comes all the way to your neck. I must say, this foundation is not so bad. This foundation is not so bad. Ooh, L'Oreal. I slept on L'Oreal foundation. I forgot to tell you, the pencil I use for my eyebrow, or this one, is really good. Guys, do not sleep on this eyebrow pencil. It's from Rimmel London. There it is. It's an Exaggerate waterproof eye definer, number 212 rich brown. Now we're gonna go with the concealer. The concealer we're using today, as always, is the LA Pro Gel, which is in the color Toffee. I mean, I use Fawn as well, but today we are using Toffee. It depends how you like it though. I normally like my under eye area quite concealed. So I try to limit the amount of foundation I put under my eye because I know that I'm gonna put concealer under there. I normally blend this in first before I go in for the contour. I mean, some people do it the other way around. This is the way that I feel most comfortable with. So this is exactly what I do every single day. Blend it in really well. Because there's no eyeshadow, we're going for like a really seamless look. You're gonna go into blending with this little blender. It goes in the corner, every corner of my eye, under eye area. And then after this, we're gonna go with a big one to just, my mirror has to come out, guys. And then I'm going to do this side as well. Guys, if you hear any noises, I've got my fan on because it's boiling in here. I'm not about to bake. I'm like baking. So I've got my fan on. So if you hear any funny noises, that's where it's coming from. Now I'm going to go in for the nose. Okay, I'm starting from the edges and I'm going to blend it in. Now see, so this is what I do, and then we're going to blend it in. Bring it all the way to the top of the lid as well, the eyelid, because I want it to be like the same color. The inner corners, I'm going to go in with a little bit of fawn color because the fawn has the yellow undertone, like I said, and I do like the yellow undertone, so I'm going to be putting it right there. Now I'm going to go in with a big beauty blender. Now we're going to go in with the contour, and the contour, like I said, we're using everything Drugstore. We are going very affordable. The contour stick that we're using, I always use every single time. Again, it's from L'Oreal Infallible, and it's the Longwear shaping stick. It's actually a foundation stick, but I got the really dark one that I use as a contour stick because it works amazing. Guys, make sure you blend it really well. Blend it really well. Going for skin. We're going for skin. Even though my skin is not popping right now, but yeah, we're still going for skin. Guys, it's a trick. If you have a little bit of a double chin here and there, you know, put a little bit of the contour color there, you know, and you just blend it in. And it conceals it. It conceals it. And with the nose, I'm going to be using this flat brush. Blend it. To stop the eyelid from creasing, because my eyelid creases a lot, I'm going to be applying some powder. We are going to apply our setting powder. The setting powder we're going to be using today is a Sacha buttercup setting powder. That's the powder I always use. I think it's about time I change. But okay. I gotta blend this contour. I gotta blend it in. I mean, it's not blending. I know the powder is looking like a lot, but like I said, I'm very oily, especially summertime. I get really oily, so the powder is what saves me, and it saves me. It stops me from getting like really shiny. Don't come for me, guys, and say, oh, the powder is a lot, the powder is a lot. Okay, guys, so this is it. For me, because I have an oily skin, the powder helps me a lot. So I put it on, and I'm going to leave it on for not too long because I actually do not like baking. 1 minute and then sweep it off, and it actually does help me a lot during the summertime to get rid of my oil. That's what I do, and I'm looking like a ghost right now. Look at me. Right, okay, now we're going to wipe it off. This is the other non-drugstore product that we are going to be using today, which is the Hello Happy from Benefit, my holy grail, my favorites. And we're going to go in and just blend everything in. And I like it as well because it actually serves as a bronzer for me as well, because it's a darker shade and it makes it really beautiful and gorgeous. This is it. This is my foundation routine, my powder routine. I'm going to spray it later to stop it from looking powdery. This is another drugstore product. This is from Maybelline, and is the Hyper Precise All Day Matte Liquid Eyeliner. This eyeliner is so good. We're going to define it a bit. Yeah, just define. Let's give it a little bit of a definition. Let's give it a bit of definition. Now we're gonna glow. We're gonna try and glow a little bit. Glow. Yeah. We're gonna go with black. So the lash we're going to be using today is Sharon from Sean's Beauty. I've been using this bonding glue for my lashes. So it's the hair bonding glue. You get this from any of your hair shops. Before I actually go in and insert the eyelashes, I'm going to use mascara. And the mascara we're going to be using today is from Maybelline again. Maybelline New York, and it's the Colossal Smoky Black. Now I'm going to put some mascara on the lower lid. This wakes the eye up. I don't know if you can see the difference. All of a sudden my eyes are just woken up from the dead. We're going to be putting some on the nose. Let's put some on the cheek. Just glow it up, glow it up. Now the face is alive. This will wake the face. Okay, now this one too, I'm not using a drugstore one. We're gonna cheat here, we're using the all-nighter Urban Decay. So now, because it's a very simple look, we're not gonna do anything too crazy on the lips. We're gonna do like a very simple lip color, like a nude lip color. We're gonna be using this lipstick. This one is actually from New Look and is Mocha. If you just put in just a little bit on there, and then we're gonna put gloss. I didn't even want a lipstick, but so that my lip is a little bit more brighter, yeah. We're gonna go over with the lip gloss, and the lip gloss is from e.l.f. Lip Plumbing Gloss. And this one is Mocha as well, Mocha Twist. This is a lipstick, just something simple, and now we are going to spray over the face to get rid of the powdery look. Guys, this is the final look. So this is my simple no eyeshadow makeup everyday look using all drugstore products, and this is what I came up with. I am so happy. This is what I normally do, minus the eyelashes and excessive foundation. You can actually wear this to work. I mean, if you don't want the big lashes, you can exchange the big lashes for a smaller lashes, and then just shrug your stuff and go to work. So yeah, it's very affordable, so you guys can recreate this look. It's very simple. Thank you very much guys for watching, and please come again soon, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and come be a part of my YouTube family. Bye guys, love you guys.